Hello, and what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? So for today's video, we'll be doing something really exciting, as is every video. For today's video, we'll be opening up Winter Break Violet. I did previously open Winter Break Jade in my last video, so I thought, while it's still cold and wintry here in Canada, why not open all the winter dolls that I have? And this is actually my first Violet doll, so I'm really excited. All right, so looking at the packaging here, it is in the standard rainbow high packaging. We've got the doll right in the middle here. We've got her skis on one side and then her second outfit on the other. It's in the standard iridescent rainbow high cardboard. And as I said in my last video, what I love about the packaging here is how they frosted the edges of the plastic, so it looks like, I don't know, they're in blocks of ice or something. It says collect the rainbow at the top, and then we've got her little violet willow seal type of thing with her little color strip. At the bottom, we have 4 of the girls that are in the line, while in the back, you can see all 6 in their fully illustrated forms, I guess. And I think Darko Dark also did the line work. I remember when like the first illustrations were like kind of leaked, we all went crazy. Look how pretty all of them are, and they like really represent. They all represent their dolls so well. Like, they really look like their dolls. Alrighty, so that is basically the packaging. I'm gonna jump right in. I'm gonna take her out of the box and we're gonna take a closer look at her, okay? So here is Violet right out of the box. As per usual for all of the Rainbow High dolls, she does come with the normal Rainbow High stand-in base, and of course all of the hangers and hairbrush. She does also come with a little instruction sheet to show you how to put the boots onto the snowboard, and also how you could turn the jewelry that's on her earmuffs into earrings. So that's really cute, that's really exciting. And aside from those, she does come with a really big accessory that all of these Winter Break dolls come with. Wachoo! So all of the Winter Break dolls come with like a set of skis or a snowboard. Violet comes with a pair of skis, and they're basically just like a purple. They're really well made, and like look at the like little silver details. It has RH like molded onto there, and then it says RH at the ends as well. And then on the back, it's just all purple. So they're pretty simple, but I think they suit her pretty well. So this is my first ever Violet, and I gotta say, I'm so happy that this is my first version of Violet that I have. I think that this outfit just like, it's just so much cuter than her first one, I gotta say. And like there's so many little details and like little extra hints of like her personality in this. Just love the Winter Break line. Like, you guys know that I love the little like winter theme. I love how there's like so many pieces to every outfit. So talking about Violet from head to toe, first look at these little earmuffs that she comes with. So they're obviously like a lavender purple, and they're really fluffy. And I love how the headband part of it is like in an iridescent purple. That's just like a really nice touch, I think. You can see the little pieces of jewelry that are hanging off of her earmuffs. Her makeup is super cute. She's got like a little gradient eyeshadow kind of going on with like a lighter purple in the middle. And I think the lips on mine are a little wonk, but I don't know. I like it. And she's got like purple eyebrows too. They're not as arched as Jade's though. And of course she is a Winter Break doll, so her skin is not iridescent, it's glittery. Her hair is just as nice quality as Jade's is, but of course the front parts are going to be gelled. Not too bad actually. Like, you can tell that it's at the bottom, but the top is not too bad. Like, one wash should be pretty good. So for her first outfit here, oh my god, I love this outfit. Like, I fell in love with this outfit first. So first, she is wearing like kind of like a puffer jacket, but it's like bougier than that. It's kind of like quilted, and then like in between all of the stitching, there's like little pearls. We've got little pom-poms, kind of like drawstrings, but they're not actual drawstrings, I don't think. Like, they're connected, but they don't actually adjust anything. She's got a little hood in the back, which is really nice, and it's also lined with faux fur. She's wearing a simple lavender colored turtleneck, and it's in like a knit kind of fabric, so it looks like one of those knitted sweaters, you know? She also has some fur on the sleeves, and I love how her skirt like matches her jacket perfectly. It's also quilted. Her pockets are not only functional, and they're also lined with fur, as it is on the trim of the bottom of the skirt as well. And on the back, you could see that the quilted details go all the way. even the pearls on the top there. Wow. She is wearing some leggings. Violet has like some lace leggings. Oh, the fact that they like made these for this doll, that's insane. And what I found interesting was I thought that like all of the winter break dolls, all of their second outfits are gonna have the skates, but Violet is wearing her skates already. They're knee-high boots with like the flocked faux fur trim on the top, and it's also got the quilted detail as her entire outfit does. And you can see she has the silver skate, the 3 blades on the bottom. Ooh, one of mine got a little wonky, but I think that's because of packaging. Okay, so apparently if I take this off, first we gotta see if we'll be able to take this off. It's possible it's sewn onto her head. Wasn't that the perfect segue to get her into her second outfit? Here is Violet all dressed up in her second outfit, obviously. And as you can see, I did remove the little ear pieces from her earmuffs and I put them onto her own ears. And yes, they do go in really simple and she looks so bouge. They're so pretty. So it's just like heart-shaped and then like there's like flower-shaped jewels at the bottom. It'd be really nice if this was dangly, but obviously we're ready to get a lot. In terms of her second outfit, first thing I wanted to say is it's in such a weird material. Like it looks cute on her, but when I like go to touch, oh no, I just like do not like how this feels personally. So she will not be wearing this outfit too often. It's really pretty and like it looks really cute, but like I hate how it feels. So anyway, so she does actually have a little shirt underneath that comes separately and it's like an iridescent top. It's kind of like Crystal Bailey's tube top, but this time it's like a t-shirt kind of situation. Yeah, it's just sparkly and iridescent. Her coat is gonna be like in this lavender type of color and it's in that same weird material. We got little flaps for pockets and you can see that there's 4 little studs that are glued onto the front to make it look like buttons. The jacket is actually like an off the shoulder kind of jacket, so it's like fur lined on the lapel. Is that the word? It is full sleeved and the cuffs are gonna be in like this kind of weird like half done type of thing, but it's on both sides, so I don't think that's a mistake. That's kind of just the style of it. And for her skirt, she's got this little pleated situation, which is really cute. I gotta say, like this whole outfit is really cute. Very Violet, I think. I think this, like these outfits like really like represent her really accurately. It's just a simple pleated mini skirt. Her second outfit didn't come with a pair of leggings, so I'm not even gonna put the other leggings on because I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be, so I'm just gonna leave it to how it was displayed in the box. She does have a pair of moon boots that I am obsessed with. This is like the main reason why I want to get her, other than the fact that I don't have a Violet, but these boots are adorable. They're flocked on the top here, and then we got like little lavender details, purple laces all throughout, and then we got these little balls of fuzz that represent like pom-poms that are supposed to be on the laces. And then at the bottom you can see that it's just like a jelly plastic, so it's like kind of see-through. And then on the back, we got silver RRs and there's a slit for the back of the boot so you can like slide her feet in really easily. But I gotta say, like it was really difficult to get these shoes on. They're pretty stiff. And of course, we're just gonna see how these look on her. This is supposed to be her ski outfit. Is this her ski outfit? So we're gonna see how this fits because these are supposed to be her. Ooh, I'm already loving this. That is adorable. She looks so cute with her little skis. I wish she had like the ski picks or whatever they're called, like the sticks to like kind of move on them. But I mean, they're cute for display. I'm not even gonna lie. And they do double as a stand as well, so. I got a haircut. So yeah, that's everything that comes with Violet. I gotta say, for about like $40 to $60, she does come with a lot of like quality pieces. Just like Jade, I think like herself, like as much as I wanted her, she is worth the $50 to $60, however much it is wherever you are. However, I still kind of stand to my word that if you like specific character and like their outfit and like all the pieces that she comes with, I think you should go with them first and then continue with the rest of the line because they are pricey. $50 to $60 is a lot, but I think like objectively they're really high quality. The hair is high quality, the outfit pieces are high quality, all of the little plastic pieces are really nice as well. So I think that they're a win in my opinion. I think particularly for Violet, she is a really pretty doll. Like if you're a lover of purple or Violet Willow, that you're going to die for her because all of her outfits are so cute. And she comes with so many like versatile pieces that you could play around with. I know that there's like a variant. With her makeup, but I'm really happy with whichever version I got. I think she's really cute. I love the like frostiness of her lips, and I'm just like really happy with her. Ugh. But now I really want Sunny. Sunny, Ruby, Skylar is so cute. Like her ringlets. No. Okay, if they ever go on sale, I might get them. But for now, I'm really happy with Jade and Violet. She's so cute. Rainbow High dolls are so cute. All right, everyone. So that is everything for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. Let me know what you think about Violet. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about Rainbow High. Let's talk about dolls in the comments. And I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye-bye.